back here again. I've prayed.
Before no Biafrans came to me, but also I want to do Ghana and the Macha. Or but I'm too open to the long way. Oh, she making a way for me. I'm not feeling a way for no years. I feel a way for you. What will you make it? You people make it. You people make it. Lord, no double, I am of Biafra. I am going to start. I am not feeling a way for you. I'm not going to open. I'm not really dying. Not that she make I not to fucking a way for you. No matter long of the meaning, no matter if they didn't know what she make it. I ain't never can never do food. I na just mama can I boom with Chineke. I would go and I now Ocean and then you would go and brilliant a buying baby and I would do chance of my boss or something. So dinner, ni make it come up here from Babylon. So ni make it come in from Babylon. Chineke, so ni make it as Dr.Ngozi Orabueze Babylon. Na target our Prime Minister Babylon. Na target our leader Babylon. Chineke, the commander. Dr.Ngozi Orabueze is our DPM, lekwe our PM, lekwe our leader, Chineke, nobody na kareka hambabere, Chineke, asigi chekupenda, Chineke, asigi chekwe ha, nyehike, nyeha amamike, nelu amamike, amamike, Chineke, asigi chekupatala amamike, nelu amamike, Chineke, obdi kaina ayaba. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo, Chineke, lekwe ndị Igbo adabidere anyị, Chineke, bikupa, bịadu mere anyị ebere. Bịadoza anyị oku Chineke, bịadoza anyị oku n'ọnọdụ abịana, ka ọnọdụ abịana na njedebe Chineke. Anyị chọrọ ka ọnọdụ ndị Igbo, ka ọnọdụ ụmụ Biafra bịa na njedebe Chineke, na onweghị onye ọzọ anyị nwere olileanya ebe ọ nọ, ma ọ bụ ọsọsọ na gịnwa, ọ bụ gịnwa bụ ugwu nke a na-arị a na-atụ egwu, Chineke nna nke bi n'eluigwe. Mgbe ọ bụ na o ruru nwoke nọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, which is our leader of this movement, supreme leader, asịrị Chineke na onye nke bi n'eluigwe obodo na Beye, mgbe ọbụla prime minista anyị na-asịrị Chineke nna biko chebebe kpuchite Chineke chebe ya ekpuchite ka ọkụkọ si ekpuchite ụmụ ya ọkụ ife anyị na-arịọ n'ụbọchị nke tata ise.
Thank you.
Let's go here.
We'll fight to the last man. We've lived in the north for so many years, and the reward the Hausas could give my poor father was to kill him. He was the first man killed in the May massacre. After being chased for some few yards, they shot at him, and then when they got him, they had to slice him into two. Like, you know, when you want to slice your bread into two. A human being being sliced into two. Can you imagine such a thing? Biafra is going to emerge as a nation. You know, despite the support of Britain, Russia, Egypt, and some other friends of Nigeria, we all will surely come out as a nation because we're fighting a just cause. Even a little child on the...
Brothers and sisters, please, she's a woman, okay? So let's you people know what we are talking about. She is a woman.
Street will tell you this.
A Biafran woman.
We shall never go back to Nigeria again. God's grace will surely emerge as a nation. And so, as far as this war continues, we'll fight to the last man.
Bronye Kaligani Nekarekaman, Omagonia Karea, all Bram and Deep Woods when it will be. Then saw now 4 years ago, Kriana Bissell and Yago Blood in Jokan, you were born unknown, Bundinatum or later, and Haniness and it in such a Nanki. No Totua, Yaba, no one in Bebu Moyabasa. Opakan na kebre de Ngozi kanye na kokata hese buni meli we na doge mama gine brega magi no mi kore donde ge ani we na yo kirugi we chane banyo no ani we na doge hese bu de Ngozi ki wetin yo bagana tindiro ka ara bunde kun ka we mi gani yo ngom na chine ken na de so ka kan sindi de to we pa hono ise be de ko sibuzu we la ya ni ani we na yo ge onye na digide ma go be bige Bitcoin kiwe make a Biafra way, be also some man kebra no mugata now. And we're not going to win any city to make out one and one needing you to organize. In Bronya Kaligani Necker.
Eagles can live up to 70 years because they are mentally strong. After 40 years, every eagle has to make a difficult decision. Its claws are no longer sharp enough to hunt. Its beak becomes bent and blunt, and its feathers become thick. The eagle has two options. Either it dies, or it goes through a painful change. This painful change is that the eagle must go to the mountain and crush its beak on a rock until it falls out. When the old beak falls out, a new beak grows in. With the new beak, the eagle rips out its claws, and new ones grow in. Then the eagle plucks out its feathers, and new ones grow in. This painful journey lasts 150 days, but after doing this, the eagle gets a new life. Sometimes we need to get rid of our old self in order for a new and better version to emerge. If you're not following us, you will probably never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you are watching us from. From me, from here is good evening. Today's program, what we are going to talk about, the reason why we have to come together. We have to come together to support this government of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the DPM of the USB government. You know why? That is why I played this last video. You know, when something good is going to come out, you have to go through difficulties. That I use that that program now that I play to give you the instance of what we are about to go in. So for we into this very situation that we are is a difficult situation that you have to plant out the bad ones for the new virgin to emerge. That is what we are in. You have to plot out the old version and for the new version to emerge. So why are we saying that? Because of when you see our leader saying that what we are doing is a spiritual thing, if I name maybe more, and no natural more. So when our leader said that, and many people didn't say that, and when he asked us to do 150 days prayer, nobody know. Because of after the 100, we are going to go difficulties after that 100 days of prayer. A lot of difficulties is what is going to unfold. But after all that, the new version will match, which is Biafra. That is what I want you to click in your ear. That our leader is not an ordinary man. That this man is a prophet on my own time. If you don't know, I want you to know that this is a prophet in our own time. Because of what? And the second video I played for you, it was a woman who was telling you that Biafra must come, it must emerge no matter what, and no matter anything that the enemy like, let them do, no matter what Russia, Britain, and the Egypt and other countries that is sponsoring Nigeria state. No matter what they do, that Biafra must come. It's a woman and very well proud and bold and said that. So today, this movement have gone, it's like when you are running a race, it have gone through. Let's put Wazurika. I know that one have seller, but we will not forget where the race started. It has started from our supreme leader, Chukwemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, to Wazurike. From Wazurike, it come to our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu, Ohamadike himself, nke mụ na ya bụ mma mara ebe ọkwụ. So from there now, it have come to Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko. You see the race. Finally, the woman who was saying this on this video that I played here, told you no matter what British and all the rest of them did, that Biafra must emerge. Brothers and sisters, did you understand what is going on here? Did you understand what is going on here? Do us a favor, as you are watching this our video, do us a favor, subscribe to our channel, to USB Gospel, and call your neighbors and call your friends. Ask them to subscribe to this very channel. As you are subscribing in this channel, please do us a favor and like our video and share our video. As you are doing that, I say may God may Him bless you. I say may God Almighty may Him bless you. And I say may God bless you in whatever thing that you do in this life, that the God Almighty let's continue going on. Did you understand what I'm trying to tell you here? So now, this race have come to the hand of Dr.Ngozi Orabueze, which is, she is now the DPM. So why I'm asking people, let's come together and forget about this and make sure that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, she will stand strong. From my own interpretation, this is the final. This is the final battle that we are into. This is the final battle. We must support Dr. Ngozi Orabueze morally, physically, and otherwise. That is our job. Not people standing around on the social media, gossiping from here, gossiping from one place to another against your own. How long will these people? This is Chiamaka Ajere, or what did they call it? Vam, and his group with Oge Nkere, Alese Anyogo. These people, how can these people go and sit down one day? Just go Zunike, because of these people didn't know what they are looking for. They have collected money, they think that what we are doing here is a jamboree music. Ose photo. Tomorrow now, he will be telling you where he's going door to door and be snapping pictures. Okay, get it. Is that the kind of human being? He's not well spoken. It's not like he can be outspoken. He's not an outspoken human being. You know, so what are you dragging here? You know, and other people who is like dragging all these things up and down, making sure that what are they trying to get, that they want to make sure that they bring Dr. Ngozi Orabueze down. Let me tell you something. When our prime minister started, when he started with Enter Biafra, we know what we saw in that period. The same thing you see that Ngozi Orabueze is going through today is the same thing. Many people, that was one guy in the den, he always used $2 to be sending to be putting super chat, writing rubbish there. Our prime minister left him there. He said he will stay there. That one day he will be confused. He will be confused here in this platform. There is nothing. There is a lot of things. Not even this one you people are calling Dr. Chiamaka Ajere. This one was one side there, criticizing him the other side, talking rubbish about it. He was calling us enter Biafra, enter this. You know, today, how can you believe that these people knows what they want? Somebody who doesn't know his left from his right, how did he know what he wants, brothers and sisters? That is my question. So now, that is why you can see them. It's very easy for them. All and co. That is why you see them. Their job is only to looking for what did Dr. Ngozi Orabueze said, that they will be cutting and be making caricature of yourself, not Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. They'll be just making caricatures of themselves on the social media, thinking that they are doing themselves. They are not doing nobody, because of people see them. That is the way the world see them. Like, these guys are fools. That is why I ask our people, let's support Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, who is now on my own direction and on my own thinking. She is on the right direction. So for her to be able to move forward, and no matter what, yes, if you have a different opinion in what she's doing and whatever, but you have to have the manner, you have to have the way to consult her, that it will not be something that will be openly, this one will be here shouting, the other one will be here shouting. No, this is not what we are here for. And the way I see Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the DPM of this very government, I saw her, she's not somebody who like to talk so much. Okwu juru ọnụ. So or like her if you so she wants to concentrate on her job. That is one thing as a Biafrans. The more all of us give her our support and give her all our support, she will be able to concentrate. She will now know which direction she wants to go to. But the more people are bringing confusion from this place, from the other place, what did she say? What did Dr. Ngozi Orabueze say? This is not going to be the solution. The solution there is, let's support her. Let anything that you have that you can use to support her, because of this is how people live their own up. I don't know how long that you people will understand this, that our leader himself have even said it. It's even though that is cockroach that will bring Biafra, that what him need is Biafra. That time is when people was attacking Mazi Simon Ekpa in the other way around. That is when he made that broadcast. He said that no matter anybody that is attacked, that what we need here is Biafra. Because of that time, that was when our prime minister, he put up what did you call it? He put up a petition that everybody should go and sign. That time, either before the EndSARS or during the EndSARS, that people will sign. GOS people, make sure that nobody should join that place. Nobody will sign there. You understand? So this kind of life is not the kind of life that we have to be living. DOS people are the ones who was criticizing what Simon Ekpa did there. That petition, nobody signed it. Even few people signed it, that petition. Because of DOS people were ones that they criticizing. Because of these people are just bunch of fools who just like looking for power, but they cannot do something. They are looking for power, thinking that this is if I No. This is about humanity. This is about life and the death we are talking about. This is about a nation we are here talking about. It's not about jamboree, brothers and sisters. This is about intellectual, because of, that not many we are called, but few we choose. Few we are choosing. So in this very journey, a lot of people will come. You'll be still be seeing many people will be removing. They'll be taking people out. You'll be seeing new people, because of until the last day. That is when you will see the people that our leader was talking about. That these are the people that were called, they were born, they were choosing before they were born. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? As you are seeing it, this one is out, the other one is out, the other one is suspended, the other one. No, you are going to see more changes will be coming, because of a lot of things will be coming up, because of our people are problem. You understand? That is why I have to ask Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, ị ga-abụrịrị weevu n'akọ. Gbaa agbanwe evu n'akọ, na-eji anya na-achọ ife ndara na mmiri. Ana m agba gị, na-agbasi gị ike. Ọ bụ nwa afọ Igbo ka ị bụ, ọ hapụkwa na ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị bụ. Ife ọrụ iji na-abụ ọrụ ndị kom. Ọrụ ndị kom, ọ bịa bụ ife iji na, ọ bụghịkwa onye a na-enene gị gbapụ. No. Ife iji ọrụ ya bụ obodo, ọrụ a nation ka iji, ọ bụghị ife a. Onye laikiri ya akọwa bullshit, ọ laikiri kọwa asịrị ahụ, ọkọtụ asịrị ahụ maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. O nwere asịrị nke asịrị dị na-enwere limit. Na-ata ya bụrụ nnukwu asịrị akọ ya for 3 weeks ọgwụ. You got that? So you have to concentrate on your job, do your job. Hapụ ndị na-akọ asịrị ka ha nakwa akọ asịrị na-egbu oge ha, because of that is the only thing they want to use to bring your spirit down. So ka ị bịa na-concentrate na-abịa eke their nonsense, but ama m n'ebe na-azụ ụka na ị gaghị na-eke their bullshit. Ị ga-akpa ọ bụ azụ ka ị ga-eji were zaa ha the thing. So you only concentrate the one manga help that will make this what we. Let me tell you, our deputy prime minister, the result we need from you, and the only what I need from you, what we want is Biafra. No matter what, I should also from Enu to from here to toe. We don't care. What we care, what we want to see is Biafra, and how to protect the land of Biafra. That is why I ask men and women. We have rich men in Igbo land. That is why I'm calling them every time. I'll still be calling them. They have to come and join this government. That you, the deputy prime minister, Dr.Ngozi Orabueze, is the leader. No matter what, I should not up but our own is our own. So for now, we have to stand where our deputy prime minister stand until our leader comes out, or until our prime minister comes out, and we have to still standing and advocating for the release of our prime minister. This is another thing that we have to keep kicking on that. We will never relent. We will never stop. We must make sure that they release him because of now. When our prime minister come, let's see. Or be able achịkọta ekwe ọnụ ndị a ewere wụsa one side ebe ahụ ọ ma na ndị ka abụrụ sabụ n'onwe ha ọ ga-eneche ebe a na-echi ọzọ gawa ebe a na-arụ agwụ because of that was a word our prime minister kwuru. Remember, o nwere okwu o kwuru. Somebody jụrụ na sorry, Dr. Damage interview. Asia, are you gonna be if Biafra is restored in the Biafra land, when the government is in Biafra land, are you gonna contest for any political position? He said yes, I will contest for political position. But he said that our supreme leader said that he will not contest for any political position. He said that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Him, Mazi Simon Ekpa is Mazi Simon Ekpa. He said, and another thing I want to tell you, maybe when our leader comes out now, he see what is on the ground, he may change his mind. You understand what I'm saying? So this is why you have to know. Our deputy prime minister bụ Ngozi Orabueze. Ị gaghị efu ebe a na-echi mmadụ ọzọ, a na-eme mmadụ eze. Ị gaghị ebe a na-alụ agwụ nwanne mmadụ. Ọ dị izi omume. So that is why m ji na-akpọ ma ndị Igbo from homeland o ma ndị nke nne ebe ọbụla ha nọ nna si na ha dị confused o na amaghị ebe nwanne mmadụ. There is nothing like confusion here. We continue supporting our deputy prime minister. We continue supporting her physically, otherwise, and spiritually. This is our job. This is what we have to do, and push her forward. She will continue moving. She will be the end of all this shenanigans. She will end all this things. Let me just let you know. And I want to thank our brothers and sisters who always remembered that our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Day, which is on Monday, which every day is sit at home. As you people are doing that, I say, may Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless all of you who is sitting at home with honest and the truth, who is doing this for this injustice that is meted against us, that is meted against our leader. All of you that is sitting at home every Mondays, I say, may God bless you. I say, may Chukwu Okike Abiyama grant you favor anywhere you are looking for favor. Ngo ọbụla ị gara asị m ụzọ meghere gị. Ngo ọbụla ị gara asị m ife mewe n'afa Chukwu Okike Abịama. He say, and tomorrow is another sit at home. Please, brothers and sisters, tell your neighbor, tell your friends that tomorrow, every Monday is sit at home. Because of injustice meted against us, injustice meted against our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, injustice meted against our prime minister, we have to keep sitting at home. Because of this is the only weapon that we have for now. That God Almighty, with God Almighty, that we will come out victorious. From me, from here is good evening. Please do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, share our videos, drop your comment in this very platform. As you are doing that, as you are sharing our video, as you are liking our video, I say may God bless you. As you are doing that, I say may Chukwu Okike Abiyama bless you and bless whatever thing that you are doing. From me, from here is good evening.